Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Toyota RAV4 key fob. Start by gathering a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver and find a well-lit, clean workspace. Inspect the fob for a seam or release screw and remove the emergency key if present. Keep any tiny screws safe and take photos as you go to ensure correct reassembly and avoid misplaced parts. Use the emergency key release to remove the metal key first, then position the flathead at the seam and gently twist to open the case. Work slowly around the perimeter to avoid cracking the plastic and stop if you feel resistance. Once opened, set the two halves on a soft cloth to prevent scratches and keep any small parts in a safe spot for reassembly later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal securely and save messy spills in your bag, a small household win after fiddling with tiny car parts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a set, enjoy stress-free lunches. Now let's get back to the video. Check how the existing CR2032 sits in the clip, so you match its polarity when inserting the new cell. Gently lift the old battery out with a plastic tool or your fingertip, then place the new CR2032 with the correct side facing up. Press until you feel a light click and confirm it sits flush, then test the fob buttons briefly before closing the case to ensure the replacement worked.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.